Extracting double-digit months and days from a Python date. Is there a way to extract month and day using ISO formats? Let's assume today's date is March 8, 2013. I can do this by writing if statements and concatenating a leading zero in case the day or month is a single digit, but was wondering whether there was an automatic way of generating what I want.
Look at the types of those properties. Both are integers, so there is no automatic way to do what you want. So in the narrow sense, the answer to your question is no. If you want leading zeros, you'll have to format them one way or another. For that you have several options.
You can use a string formatter to pad any integer with zeros. It acts just like C's printf. Updated for Py36, use fstrings. For general ints you can use the D formatter and explicitly tell it to pad with zeros. But datetimes are special and come with special formatters that are already zero padded.